Hello, Fly Babies. It's me, FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Tuesday, and it is free day. It's free day. We also have routines to do today, and if you are a payroll Fly Baby, you're not going to be experiencing free day. You're going to be doing zones. So here's what we have to do. We're going to all get up this morning and do our morning routines before the family, taking care of ourselves in the bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen. Once that is complete, then if we have children, other family members, or pets that we need to put through their morning routines, we're going to do that as well. Once that's done, we're going to, if you work, go to work. If you're at home, go to the next step. The basic weekly plan for the day is that it's a free day. So whether you're at work or home, you won't have any basic weekly plan things to think about. Now, if you're at home, I'm letting you skip your zone today. So it's a day to just do routines. 5 routines: morning routine, paper routine, laundry routine, after dinner routine, and before bed routine. That's it. Now, if you're working, here's what we're going to do. You're going to go in, you're going to say hello, you're going to get your coffee, your water, whatever. You're not going to waste a lot of time there. You're going to go to your desk and get everything set up at your nice clean desk, because the last thing in your control journal is to clean your desk every day. Last 5 minutes. All right, next you're going to do the mundane things that you have set up in there, like, clean out your email, do some filing. Get that done first. Then you're going to look and see what have you scheduled for the week, the month, the year, and how are you doing on that. Any accomplishments? Write those down in the back of the month. All right, next, honor your breaks and lunch. Honor yourself by honoring those. You need to take those. Those are yours. So on your break, I want you to think about what we're doing this week in the home. Weekly home blessing hour. Have you delegated that? Did you do your 10 minutes if you didn't delegate it last night? How about your zone, which is zone 2, the kitchen? Did you do a little cleaning in there or a little decluttering last night? Can you delegate that as well? If not, then when you go home tonight, you're going to have a plan of what you're going to do, right? So that's it. You're going to go home. You're going to start your laundry, and you're going to go through your little inch of paperwork, and then you're going to start your dinner. And while your dinner is cooking itself, simmering or holding or whatever, then you're going to do your 10 minutes of weekly home blessing hour if you didn't get that done, or delegate that. I mean, if you didn't delegate that, you're going to get it done. And 5 to 15 minutes in your kitchen. If you don't have any clutter in there, good girl. We're just going to go to doing one of your things on your list. So pick something from your list to clean in your kitchen. Don't sweat about details. Don't be a perfectionist. We're just doing really nice cleaning. We are cleaning it, but we're not going to go crazy, because guess what? We're going to hit this kitchen every single month, month after month, year after year. It's going to stay clean. You don't need to kill yourself doing something so detailed and taking up so much of your valuable time. Just clean one thing, right? And then go on with dinner, after dinner routine. So let's all come together for the after dinner routine. After dinner routine, keeping an ear on your laundry if you still have some. For you at-home Fly Babies, hopefully you got that done during the day and put it away. But if you're working, listening for your laundry. When the laundry needs to be changed over, send one of the kids to put the things from the washer into the dryer and push the button. How hard is that? They can do that while you're slicing meat or whatever. And then the next thing it's going to do is keep an ear out for that as well. After dinner, we're doing our after dinner routine. We're cleaning up. Everyone helps. We're making it fun. It's a family affair. We love our families, and we're going to have fun with them. And then fold clothes. Hang them up and/or fold them and put them away. Then we're going to do before bed routine. If you're exhausted, do yours first. If you're not, do the kids first. And then enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to plan for tomorrow. What are you going to lay out? Do the kids have their lunches made, etc.? That's it. Have a fabulous Tuesday, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.